So now I have to add some cross members to those poles, basically just to keep those poles from shifting outward as we're going to start lifting this boat up. I mean, they're about 3 to 4 feet in the ground, and there shouldn't be much of a force as long as we can manage to lift the boat straight up. But I just want to be on the safe side, because if this thing goes, well, there's not going to be no holding. And then we're going to end up having to order crane service to lift it back up. Well, whatever happens, even if the boat falls, it's most likely not going to get damaged, because this thing is just massive, made out of steel. Fiberglass boat like mine, that would be a different story. But anyhow, so I'm using just regular generic 2x4x6 pressure treated wood wall slats, connecting the poles from left to the right, and then also from the front to the back. The front to the back most likely is not going to have to absorb any force, because if the boat goes, then it will only go like from, well, one side to another, but just in case. So yeah, this is gonna be most likely the final preparation on this makeshift pole barn or dry dock, or whatever you want to call it. Till we get to lift the boat, which is gonna happen very soon, most likely within the next few days. So yeah, this whole thing today took me about an hour. I worked by myself. It's not too difficult. Well, those 2x4x6 are not too heavy. They are 2x6x16 feet total length. Okay, that's for this video. Like always, thank you for watching.